Number 72 for 5.2.5 PWS. I'm going to go ahead and read the question and then we'll go ahead and begin solving the problem. For Shelly's birthday on Saturday, she received 2 new shirts, one plaid and one striped, 3 pairs of shorts, tan, yellow, and green, and 2 pairs of shoes, sandals and tennis shoes. On Monday, she wants to wear a completely new outfit. How many possible outfit choices does she have from these new clothes? Draw a diagram to explain your reasoning. Because there's so many different options with each of the shirts, shorts, and shoes, the best way to represent this is by using a probability tree. So again, if you have a separate sheet of paper, perfect. You can continue using the separate sheet of paper to do number 72. If you haven't gotten a separate sheet of paper, please pause the video and ask the sub or go to the front of my classroom for Mrs. Bian's class and grab yourself a brand new sheet of paper so that way you can do the work on separate sheet of paper and without worrying about the space. All right, here we go. So we have 2 new shirts. So the first part of the tree is going to tackle the new shirts. Okay. I'm going to shrink that up, new shirts. And then the second part of the diagram is going to be on, let's see if I can change the color, blue. We're going to go with shorts. Okay. Shorten that, haha. And new shirts. Sorry, I'm going to go ahead and just put shirts because it's easier. Shorts, and then lastly, shoes. As you can see, those are not going to be the ones that we're abbreviating. We're going to be abbreviating the colors and the patterns rather than the types of shoes, shorts, or the words shirt, shorts, and shoes. So let's go ahead and begin. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I just wanted to move this guy a little bit. All right, so let's begin with 2 choices that we have for the shirts, and they are plaid. Oops, I'm not going to write the whole word. I'm too lazy. Let's go ahead and try with, and as you can see, plaid starts with a P, and stripe starts with an S, tan starts with T, yellow starts with Y, G starts with green, S starts with sandal, and T starts for tennis. So those letters are not going to be repeated at all. Well, except for sandals and stripes. So I'll go ahead and put ST for stripe and SA for sandal. Okay, so everything else we can just use the first initial and then that should be able to help us see the diagram a lot easier. So let's go ahead and begin with the types of shirts. We have plaid, P for plaid, and ST, like I mentioned, for stripe. So once I choose one of the shirts, I can choose one of the 3 pairs of shorts for every one of those shirt options. So I can choose, let's see, red, tan, yellow, or green. Okay, I think I'm going to change all the colors to one single color here. Style, let's go ahead and change it to green. Okay, oops, and change that T too. Sorry about the delay. And then we get the same number of choices for the stripe. If you need to pause this video at any point for you to continue writing, please do so. Do not hesitate to pause the video at any point. So after you choose a striped shirt, you can have that striped shirt with tan color shorts or yellow shorts or green shorts. Okay, so we got all these options here. I'm going to go ahead and move this just a little bit. So that way we have room to do the rest. And I'll go ahead and fix it by shrinking the whole thing at the end. Okay. And then once you pick the shorts, we have 2 choices of shoes. We can wear either sandals. So let me change the color to, let's see, purple. So we can choose sandals, SA for sandals, or tennis shoes. Uh-oh, I gotta put tennis shoes. I'll just put 10 for tennis shoes. I totally forgot T and T are right there. Tan can be TA I'll fix that. So TA, and tennis shoes can be TE. Let's do that. Let's make it shorter than it needs to be. Then as short as it can be. So we can wear tennis shoes. Okay. And once we pick a plaid shirt with yellow shorts, we can either wear sandals or tennis shoes again. Okay. If we choose plaid shirt with green shorts, we can choose sandals or tennis shoes. It ends up being the same number of choices for each one of those. Each one of those short colors, we can have 2 options for shoes. So same thing for striped shirt. If we choose tan shorts, we can have, let me move it one more time. Let's see, how do I move this? I can move this down a little bit so you guys can all see what I'm doing. And then I'll shrink it so it'll fit everything here. We can have sandals or tennis shoes after choosing stripe with tan shorts. If I pick stripe with yellow shorts, I can have sandals or tennis shoes, and stripe with green, sandals with tennis shoes. So looking at the end of the branch, it looks like we have a total number of possible outfits, and it looks like it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 possible outfit choices. There are 12 possible outfit choices. Change the color to blue. Okay. Go ahead and put that right there to answer the question. And I think that's it. The diagram explains our reasoning itself. So there are possible, oh man, where's the 12? I must have forgotten the 12. 12 possible outfit choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 of 6 groups. So that makes it 12. All right. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, please feel free to watch the video again to make sense of it. So I hesitated to finish the first part of the video because the last part of the question asked, draw a diagram to explain your reasoning, and it's really late. As you can see, it's 11:23 p.m. So I think just making a tree itself is enough for me, and also putting out an answer to the question of how many possible outfit choices does she have is sufficient to explain your reasoning, and that should be good. So hopefully this helped. If it didn't, please watch it again. Part of the learning process for this one is that you are able to create the probability tree. So if you have any questions, please make sure you save those questions until Ms. Parati and I come back, so that way we can help you as soon as we get back. Thanks.